About a month ago, I stumbled onto one of the neatest little mini boat projects I've seen online. It's produced by a company called Rapid Whale at rapidwhale.com, and you can either buy the hull parts or you can buy the plans and cut out the pieces on your own. So I went with the hull parts here, laser cut out by them, and the 3D printed parts. And because the boat is about 6 feet in length, I can easily build it in a portion of the basement here. So we're going to do this in the shop over the next month or two. For the last few weeks, last couple weeks, I wanted to go over the instructions. And on Instructables, they've got the whole process offered for free there. So I printed these out and bound them, and I'm going through all the instructions on how to assemble this. In the meantime, for all the extra parts that are needed, the bill of materials is also on Instructables, and I've slowly been putting together the parts for this build. We've got the two batteries, some fiberglass. I've got some sanders, but I was at Ace and just happened to see this, which was 20 bucks off. That might be that way for the next couple of weeks. So what was $59 is $39. We've got the epoxy mixture. There's a gallon there, some wood flour, and a 46-pound thrust trolling motor. This table measures about 4 by 6 feet, so the whole boat will sit on the table here. So let's take a look inside here. I've made the cuts but haven't pulled anything back yet. This is marine grade plywood, so it should look pretty nice. And I believe after talking to the designer that this is hull number 8. So it's a relatively new boat project here, and was just too neat not to build. Packaged well. We've got steering wheel parts here, and all the laser cut plywood. That is really pretty stuff. While I've built lots of CNC machines, I don't have one that would cut quite this large. We've got our slots for the cable ties, so we can stitch this together. The clean lines that a good laser can do are really impressive. The CNC machines that I've built can do some neat stuff, but this kind of really nice detail I can't quite get to. Got our steering wheel parts. The box here weighs just under 70 pounds. And let's take a look in there. Look at some of those ABS 3D printed parts. So we've got these ABS 3D printed parts. These are caps to go over some pulleys in the back, and steering wheel components. And this will go over the motor shaft so we can connect the steering drum on the back. And then this will be connected to the steering wheel with ropes. And some real nice 3D printed parts. That's a mount for the steering wheel. And some more caps. Very cool. So keep me company on this project. I'm thinking this will take 1 to 2 months and should be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Thanks very much.